This is a 2012 Chevrolet Avalanche 1500. This truck has a 6-speed automatic transmission and a 5.3-liter V8. Features include XM satellite radio, alloy wheels, traction control and stability control systems, a 6-speaker audio system, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, front-side impact airbags, dual power seats, air conditioning, a split folding rear seat, and this vehicle has less than 26,000 miles. This automobile won't last long at this price. Call and arrange a test drive now.
Jupiter Chevrolet is located at 11611 LBJ Freeway in Garland. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.